Okay, so this video is where I'm going to show you how to actually hem the bottom of a pair of shorts. I mean, this could be the bottom of your leggings, your shirt, using the home machine and the twin needle to kind of mock up a cover stitch. So the first thing I did was I folded my hem allowance to the inside. So this is my wrong side of the fabric, this is my right side. And then I basted right above the line where I want to sew. Okay, so I just went in and I basted right in there so that I can sew from the right side of the garment where I don't have any idea where I'm sewing. So if I do the markings, I will know. So I'm going to put the foot down, and I'm going to line up my left needle, which is my red thread, right outside of my basting line, because that's where in my, when I measured it, that's where I want it to end. So let's just start sewing. Since you'll be doing a hem, you should not be stretching, pulling, tugging. It should just be nice and even. The tension is nice and even, and you're just going to go all the way around. So I'm pretty much showing you also how to do this in a circle and how to end it. Now remember the cover, this twin needle mock cover stitch, you have the woolly nylon or rayon nylon, well, not a rayon nylon, a stretchy thread in the bobbin that you hand wound. And I'm going to keep going to where I started. And the way you want to do this is you just want to run it over maybe 1/4 of an inch, you know, 3 or 4 stitches. And you can back stitch, but I'm not even going to. And that's it. Pull it off. And then you'll have this look at the back side, right? And it's got some stretch to it because of that thread and also the formation of the stitches. You'll remove your basting stitches and give it a little bit of a press. Press it from the back side, and then you can come in and just trim away with your scissor like any of this excess. I think I told you at the beginning I like to have a little excess so that I don't have to worry about not catching it, and then just take a sharp scissor, my scissors not doing a good job, and just go all the way around, and that way you don't have all this extra. That's it.